Okay, hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. I know I am. It's been a good day, been very busy, and I'm doing this video to present present MiyoLinux-Rolling, the Devuan Edition. And I would be remiss if I didn't acknowledge my good friend Jim Acklaw. He kind of inspired me to try this, and it actually works. This is based on Devuan series, which is the equivalent to Debian SID. So you have here a true rolling release that, if you like living on the edge, this might be for you. I like to call it the Arch Annihilator. The Gen 2 Jinxer. It is a true rolling release. And before I go any further, I want to stress, if you install this, you're basically going to be on your own. Even Devuan, they make a statement that they don't really support the series version. It's there, it's in Devuan, but they don't take any time really to help people. So hopefully, if you're willing to install this, you're an experienced user and you know what you're doing. But if you want a rolling release, here it is. Now what I've done, I have gone back to my roots. This MiyoLinux-Rolling is very similar to the very first edition, the original edition of MiyoLinux. A very base open box system, not much customization. You get this ob menu generator menu, which will automatically add or remove software. Now I've added all these items right here. Basically all you'll get is FeatherPad and Nitrogen. You'll get the Conman UI set up to connect to your wireless networks. Wired networks should connect automatically. And your various settings and the system. Under advanced settings you have the ob menu generator, all the different things. Now periodically you might notice maybe an icon is not showing here, and there is a way to have the menu without icons if you'd prefer that. But if you're using icons and maybe periodically an icon isn't showing up, come over here to the ob menu generator category and do refresh cache. Okay, this is also in advanced settings. That's where the various open box items are located. And I did include some of the Miyo accessories. I want to point out, if you use this PCman FM as root, let me just go ahead and do that. What will happen when you open that, unless you have hidden files showing, nothing's going to show up. Things are going a little bit slow. I'm taxing out this old computer here. So here's what happens when you use that PCman FM as root. You see there's no folder showing. All you need to do is come over here to File System Root, click on that, and there's your folders. If you want to do something in the home folder, there it is. Alright, so that's that. I couldn't figure out how to get that to show the folders, and I apologize for that. But hey, it's the Arch Annihilator. So let's look at the release notes real quick. What you get here is a very basic MiyoLinux system, just waiting for you. It's waiting for you to customize it however you want to customize it. So we'll look at the release notes and I'll go over them real quick. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this today because I don't have much time. But I wanted to let people know that this is available. So here we go. Oh, just to show that this is series, this is the unstable. I want you to understand it's the unstable release. See if I can do this without sudo. And there it is, series. Alright, so this is a rolling release. It will take you some a little bit of upkeep, know what to do, when to do it. Alright, release notes. Please be aware that this build is based on Devuan series, which is the unstable branch of Devuan. Please, please use at your own risk. Don't take this the wrong way, but please only install MiyoLinux-Rolling if you're experienced and know what you're doing. I don't want that to scare people, because actually there are people, and I would somewhat agree that actually the unstable branch is actually a little easier to run than the testing branch. You just have to be wise in when you update and how you update. Here are some keyboard shortcuts. Alright, this is very important. I have tried to figure this out and I never could figure it out. When you do an installation, if you decide you want to install this, you may or may not get an error during the installation of Grub. And what that error is, there is a locale folder that for some reason will not copy over to the installed system. That's all the error is about. If you get that error and you want to install this, just click continue and you will be able to finish the installation. It might take a minute or two once you click continue before the installation continues on, but that's what it's about. For some reason it will not copy over a certain locale folder. It's nothing major. Every time I have tried that installation several times, and every time the installation successfully installed. Alright, notes on this release. Upgrade with care. Let me point that out. Upgrade with care. Please upgrade your system with care. You may want to install the package apt list bugs, and that is a very helpful package. It will, when you run updates and upgrades, if there are any known bugs, it will show you those bugs, and it allows you to decide if you want to go ahead and do the upgrade or not, or hold off. A lot of times when you see those bugs, if you just wait a day or two, maybe a little bit longer, those bugs go away because they take care of them pretty quick. So you might want to install that package, apt list bugs. If you do an update and an upgrade and it shows it's gonna remove Zorg or something, Xorg, don't upgrade. Just hold off, come back in another day or two and try it again. or you can go through and just upgrade the packages that aren't affected by the bugs. Okay? There is no pulse audio or PA view control in this build, and I don't know that they will ever be available in a series. So just keep that in mind. You get ALSA. ALSA works out of the box. It's working great. That's what I'm using right now for this recording. And I give instructions on how to enable sound with ALSA if you have more than one sound card. And many thanks to my good friend Mike Smith. He's the one who put that on the MiyoLinux wiki on SourceForge, and it has always worked wonderful for me. Give instructions how to activate the firewall, and there is no Hibernate installed on the system. If you want to use Hibernate, you'll need to install the package Hibernate. Alright? PCman FM is root, and Customize Look and Feel is root. Are using PK Execute or Exec, PK Exec, and that's here in the Miyo accessories. That's what it's talking about, these two items right here. And just like I did in the last release, I included the Papyrus folder script if you want to change the Papyrus folder colors. Give instructions what to do, how to do it. The open box right click menu is Ob Menu Generator, which is a wonderful, wonderful open box right click menu. Alright, now right now, if you download and install this, there is no GVFS. When I first built the system, I installed it, and GVFS was working great. And if you're not possibly aware of what that is, it just allows you to easily access USBs or other partitions on your hard drive. It allows you to have the trash in your file manager. However, when I needed to add the installer, it wanted to remove GVFS for some reason. I'm sorry, not the installer. The installer depends on gparted, and for some reason gparted wanted to remove GVFS. So I had to make a decision: do I want to allow people to be able to install this or not? So I removed GVFS in order to have the installer. And if you want the ability to easily be able to access USBs or other partitions and have trash showing in your file manager, then what you'll need to do is remove gparted, which will also remove the Refracta installer, and then you can install GVFS and everything works fine. Okay? Screenshots. All the screenshots will appear in your home folder. Does that make sense? Instead of them going in your pictures folder, they're going to appear in your home folder. Let's see. Let me take a screenshot real quick. And I just took it. Let me do that. And there's the screenshot. Okay? So any of the screenshots, I did that one with the keyboard shortcut, but all of these are going to appear here in your home folder. I tried my best to get them to work so that they'd appear in the pictures folder, but because of the way Ob Menu Generator uses certain characters, I couldn't get it to work. So I just left it so that they appear here in the home folder, and if you just want to move that to pictures, do that. Alright? So that's it. That's basically it. This is MiyoLinux-Rolling Devuan Edition based on Devuan series, the Arch Annihilator, the Gen 2 Jinxer. And it's available now on SourceForge. I will post links at the bottom where you can download it. It's available in 32-bit, 64-bit, and a 64-bit EFI version. Okay, so there you go. Hope you guys, if you want to install this, hope you enjoy it. Just be wise in what you do, how you upgrade, and I think it'll go well for you. So you guys have a great weekend and take care. Thanks. Hey, hello everyone. If you have continued watching up to this point, thank you. I don't know why you did. But to celebrate this momentous occasion of the release of MiyoLinux-Rolling Devuan Edition based on series, I thought it might be a good thing to release a scary song to kind of go along with the scariness of using an unstable distribution. Oh yeah. And as I pondered that situation, I thought, what better song to use than Ghost Riders in the Sky? Oh yeah, on the toy guitar made of only the finest plastic available today. So without further ado, to celebrate this momentous occasion, here is Ghost Riders in the Sky on the toy guitar. So there we go. Ghost Riders in the Sky on the toy unicorn guitar made of only the finest plastic available anywhere today. You guys have a great weekend. Thanks a lot. Take care.